Hi, I'm Jordan. I started Grumpy Plumber because I'm lucky enough to have a dad who's an amazing plumber. He's been a plumber for 48 years. And since I bought my house 5 years ago, he has saved us tens of thousands of dollars with his experience and his advice. So we started this channel to help people out with some great plumbing advice. And for those who really care about credentials, he's been a master plumber in Michigan, and he's also a C36 plumbing contractor in California. 48 years of plumbing, he knows something. It also makes him a little bit grumpy when he's sharing advice. Don't piss him off. Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is my dad, Jim, the plumber. Today we're going to talk about why does my drain get clogged? What do you do once your drain gets clogged? And then also we'll go into chemical drain cleaners. Are they safe for you? Are they safe for your system? All that kind of stuff. So first question, Dad, is why does my drain get clogged?
Well, most drains are either a kitchen drain or a bathroom sink drain, which we call the lavatory drain, okay? Lavatory drains, if you watch TV commercials, it shows that the trap gets plugged. Well, let me tell you, I've been doing this for 48 years, and only one time I've run into a trap that's got plugged underneath the lav sink. Usually, what it is that a drain, you have what we call the pop-up that holds the water in the sink.
Yeah, the thing that's always broken.
Yeah, the thing that's always broken. And when you pull that up, the guys will shave by cleaning out the shaving, or the women do their hair and they wipe all the hair down it. Well, that catches.
Okay.
That catches a lot of that hair. It catches all that, shaving cream and toothpaste because you want to save water. You're not running enough water. Well, you learn how to remove that little pop-up. And it's just a little arm that's underneath that's connected. It goes into the drain and it catches in a hole that little thing goes up and down.
So behind the faucet usually there's a little
lever
that pull up. So that's
and
pulling
that goes
another
down
lever.
and connects to another rod, and you remove that rod by sometimes you take a pair of channel locks, you loosen that nut, you hold on to it, you pull it out, and then it gets gross as hell. Okay, you pull it out and you think, but that's what slowed the drain down.
That's what all right. Now
usually the drain cleaning guy comes over to your house, he goes into your bathroom, he reaches under, he pulls that out, he flushes that out, maybe takes a long screwdriver, cleans it out down in there, and turns the water on and comes in and tells you that your trap is
Or he
plugged.
sits there for 45 minutes playing on his phone, and then he comes out acting like it was a big job. Yeah.
The only thing that traps are good for is catching diamond rings. Okay? So usually they will go down and sit, or earrings will go in there. Fished a lot of those out. For those that are listening, old customers, I noticed you didn't give me a tip when I saved your $1,000 diamond earrings. Okay? But yeah, that's one thing. Drain cleaners.
So people can do it themselves. So
they can do it yourself. You can just
sink
learn.
is slowing down and not draining as fast after you shave.
Yep.
You can go in there and loosen the nut and kind of pull it out.
Yes.
I'm sure there's YouTube videos on how to do it.
New sink drains, the new higher end fixtures have a round little disc in there that's got holes in it, and that catches a lot of that stuff.
Okay.
And a lot of people will screw the top off of that little plunger on the top and try to take that out. Well, then they can't get it back in. They're better off pulling it out. And I have shown a lot of ladies how to do that. Mm-hmm. And some of the best home plumbers are ladies because they listen. And they will fix it and try it because they want to get it done.
Yeah, and they don't mind getting their hands dirty.
It all washes off.
There you go.
It washes off. So, and another thing, drain cleaners. Drain cleaners are the stuff that you see advertised on TV is really useless. It doesn't do anything. Clorox doesn't do anything. A lot of that stuff doesn't do.
Like Clorox bleach, you mean?
Bleach.
Okay.
Sometimes they think Clorox bleach. Somebody's told them that. I found, it's, you watch what you dump down the drain, and if it's usually, like I say, the bathroom sink is clogged at the trap. Mm-hmm. But after you put it all back together, and if you turn the water on and it's running really nice, and it takes about a minute, and the sink starts to back up, it is not in the trap. It's in the main, your 1.5-inch drain that goes to your main line. That could be getting clogged.
Oh, okay.
And usually if it's an older house with galvanized drain lines in it or cast iron drain lines, they can over the years get clogged up. Where now the new plastic drain lines are very good. They don't, you know, I mean, you can go, I've seen drain lines I put in 30 years ago and gone back and remodeled a house, and that drain's as clean as the day it went in.
Wow,
to
nice.
it.
Okay.
So, but drain cleaners, like, one thing you never want to use is a powder drain cleaner. Okay, I won't mention the name of it, but if you put it in and that drain happens to be clogged, that powder drain cleaner will harden up like concrete. Okay, then you can't get it out.
Okay.
And then the other liquid drain cleaners, they usually, you know, I find they don't do any good. You might have to, you know, you buy a gallon of it, you dump it down. You might as well buy 500 gallons of it because it probably is not going to open it up.
Okay.
But they do make drain cleaners that work. But one thing about it, the drain must be flowing to use them. Okay?
So why would you
Because
use it if the drain's flowing? Oh, because it's just like an extra
it drains, when I say it drains real slow. And
okay.
people like it to drain faster. And plumbers will use it. Years ago we used a lot of it, but it is nasty stuff. Like I say, if you were going to pour it on and it splashed onto you, it'll eat a hole through you. Okay?
I remember being a kid and seeing it in your truck, and you're always like, "Don't touch that stuff."
No.
Yeah, it looked nasty.
Right. It is nasty, but it does a job in it, but it'll stink. It'll smell when it's done.
Can a guy off the street even buy this stuff?
Might not be able to, not anymore. There's pretty much laws to that. And maybe a lot of plumbing suppliers don't sell anymore. You definitely aren't going to buy in the hardware store.
Okay.
But yeah, and in a kitchen drain, you know, if that clogs, it's usually from the garbage disposal or you're dumping too much grease down it. You know, I always, of course, I do the cooking in my house. When I have a lot of grease, I take a big wad of paper towels, I put it on in that fry pan, and it sucks at that grease. I take it and throw it in the garbage. Then I clean it.
So if you have any questions for the Grumpy Plumber, feel free to leave them below in the comments. And if he answers questions every week, we post new videos. So make sure to subscribe to get the latest questions answered to save you some money on your plumbing.
And if you like the video, please push the like button. If you don't, go to hell.